Okay, I have a water tank here, hot water tank that gets supplied by my furnace. My water tank will not heat water, or it does it intermittently. I had a service guy come in and look at this. He wants $6,000 to replace this weil-mclain water storage container. He has a point, because I opened this up. This is where the electronics is for the thermostat. And let me see if I can put the light on this. There is some water damage in there. If you can see that. Especially on the thermostat itself, there's some damage. My point being, something I want you folks to look out for, is rather than replace the whole tank for $6,000, I do not think this tank is leaking into this hole beneath the thermostat. If you look at the water stains that are next to this valve on top of the tank, I think what's been happening is, instead of the tank itself leaking, pressure's been building up. Water's been coming out here, dripping down where these stains are. If you can see those red stains, and it's been going into my bowl where my thermostat sits, and then destroying my thermostat or making it work intermittently. So I advise you folks to, I'm going to ask the service guy when he comes in, hopefully he'll cooperate with me. So I'm going to ask him to take this valve and plumb it off the side of the machine, so that when water does come out of this nipple, it drops onto the floor and doesn't go onto the surface here and short out my thermostat, because that's what I think is happening. There's no reason to pay $6,000 if it's just this nipple leaking into my thermostat. So anyhow, that's something that you might want to look at to save yourself a couple $1,000 for something that's not happening.